High school's been the craziest 4 years yet for me. I've heard so many people say those 4 years would be when you really find yourself. And sure enough, that was the truth. I can say I learned a lot at school, but then I'd be lying. I will say though, I learned everything outside of school, if you know what I mean. As I've grown and bettered myself, I've lost people and gained people. Overall though, my circle has gotten a lot smaller. Many that I call friends, I now call acquaintances, and many that I called acquaintances, I now call friends. Throughout these 4 years, the one thing I can most definitely say I gained the most was growth. Now, even though we all want to grow, there comes pros and cons with that. For example, a pro with growth is going to be wisdom, experience. As you grow, your mindset is going to change, and you're going to think way differently than you thought before. I mean, even now, my mindset as a senior is way different than it was when I was a junior. And when I was a junior, I was thinking way differently than I was thinking when I was a sophomore, if you see what I'm saying. Now, a con of growth will most definitely be losing people. I mean, even though it hurts, you got to keep it pushing. But a lot of people wonder, why is it that I lose people as I better myself? And it doesn't seem like you do anything wrong. See what it is? People don't want to see you pass them up. When you first start out and you below them, they gonna support you. But once you pass them up, nah, they ain't feeling that. And I had to learn that the hard way. I've lost friends, family, and sometimes I even feel like I lost myself. But I mean, that's just a part of growing. That's a part of the journey that you decided to take. One of my most favorite artists, Lil Baby, once said, if you want something you never had, you gotta do something you never did. Now, don't let the trials and tribulations scare you away from chasing your dreams. You can do it, but there's gonna be some things that you need. Number one, a team. I mean, I know a lot of people feel like they can do everything on their own, but why? Why take that route if you don't have to? If you know you got people around you that love you and want to see you do good, keep them around you. Keep people around you who got the same intentions as you. If you want to make money, surround yourself by people that make money. If you want to make good grades, surround yourself around people that make good grades. It's all about what you want. You got to surround yourself around people that want the same thing. The reason I say that is because, when I started making music, a lot did laugh at me. But you know what I did? Build me a team. Got people together that believed in my music. While others didn't, they believed in my music just as much as I did. They knew I could make it just as much as I did. So I kept them people around me, which is why I'm where I'm at today.